It has never been so easy to collect shopping carts. All you need is the Zallys M9 electric cart mover with remote control. Simply attach the shopping carts to the cart mover. With just one hand you can steer the carts in the right direction, and with the other use the remote control to move the electric cart, while Zallys M9 does all the rest. The cart mover is suitable for both indoor and outdoor operations. It is easy to use and moves carts safely even on long distances. Easy operation and the adjustable tiller provide great ergonomic comfort, making Zallys M9 the perfect solution for increasing productivity safely. Zallys, the silent force.